In any project, whether it's construction, manufacturing, or even business operations, accurate estimation is key to success. Estimators play an integral role in ensuring that budgets are adhered to, timelines are met, and resources are allocated efficiently. The job description of an estimator involves calculating project costs, analyzing specifications, and providing clear and accurate estimates to help businesses stay within budget and deliver projects as expected, from construction to engineering and even product development. Estimators work across industries to predict the financial needs of a project and provide a foundation for decision-making. In this video, we will delve into the roles, responsibilities, and essential skills required for an estimator. We will examine how these professionals contribute to the project's overall success and the skills they need to thrive in their jobs. Overview of the role. An estimator is a professional responsible for assessing the costs and resources required for a specific project, whether in construction, manufacturing, or another industry. The job description of an estimator involves us reviewing project plans, specifications, and other relevant data to create an accurate estimate of project costs. They analyze every aspect of the project, from materials and labor to overhead and other variables that could affect the final price. Estimators often work closely with project managers, engineers, architects, and contractors to ensure that all cost elements are included in the estimate. The role requires a deep understanding of the industry in which the estimator works, attention to detail, and the ability to balance competing priorities to provide accurate, realistic estimates. Roles and responsibilities of an estimator. Estimators are responsible for gathering information, analyzing data, and providing clear cost estimates that will guide a project's budget and planning. The responsibilities in the job description of an estimator can vary by industry, but most estimators share common duties that contribute to project success. Reviewing project plans and specification. One of the first tasks of an estimator is to review project plans, blueprints, and technical specifications. This is a critical phase of the estimation process as it lays the groundwork for understanding what is involved in the project. Estimators need to understand the scope of the project, the materials required, and the complexity of the design. By thoroughly reviewing these documents, estimators identify key cost factors such as materials, labor, equipment, and time. They often collaborate with architects, engineers, and project managers to ensure they understand the technical requirements and expectations for the project. Gathering and analyzing cost data. Once the project plans have been reviewed, estimators must gather cost data to form their estimates. This data may include costs for raw materials, labor, transportation, and equipment. Estimators use a variety of resources, including historical data, industry standards, and vendor quotes to compile cost information. For example, in the construction industry, estimators might need to gather current market prices for construction materials like concrete, steel, and lumber, as well as labor rates for skilled workers. In manufacturing, estimators may gather data on machine costs, raw material costs, and production time. Estimators also need to analyze past projects and industry benchmarks to predict future costs accurately. This requires experience and knowledge of current market conditions, as prices for materials and labor can fluctuate based on supply and demand, creating detailed cost estimates. The core responsibility in the job description of an estimator is to create detailed cost estimates. Using the gathered data, Estimators calculate the total cost of a project, which includes materials, labor, equipment, overhead, and other associated expenses. These estimates are then compiled into reports, which may also include cost breakdowns for individual components or phases of the project. Estimates must be detailed and accurate because they serve as a foundation for the project's budget. Inaccurate estimates can lead to cost overruns, delays, and the failure to meet project goals. Estimators are tasked with being thorough and ensuring that all possible costs are accounted for to avoid surprises during the project's execution. Preparing bid proposals. In many industries, especially construction, estimators play a key role in preparing bid proposals. These proposals outline the estimated costs for a project and provide a competitive offer to clients. Estimators collaborate with other team members, such as project managers and contractors, to ensure the proposal is competitive, realistic, and aligned with the client's needs and expectations. The estimator must include all relevant costs, such as direct costs, materials and labor, and indirect costs, overhead, insurance, permits. A well-prepared bid proposal can help a company win a project, while an unrealistic or incomplete bid could result in losing business or facing financial losses. Identifying risks and contingencies. Estimators are not only responsible for providing cost estimates, but also for identifying potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the project's financial outcome. This could include changes in material costs, labor shortages, or unexpected delays due to weather or other external factors. To mitigate these risks, estimators may include contingencies in their cost estimates. These contingencies account for unforeseen expenses or changes in scope that may arise during the course of the project. Estimators must balance risk management with accuracy, ensuring that the estimates are realistic, while also preparing for potential issues that could lead to cost increases. Coordinating with other professionals. Estimators often work in collaboration with a variety of professionals, including architects, engineers, project managers, and procurement teams. Effective communication is key in ensuring that all project details are accurately captured in the estimate. Estimators rely on input from these professionals to understand the technical aspects of the project, verify scope, and clarify any ambiguities in the plans or specifications. Additionally, estimators may work with suppliers and subcontractors to gather quotes and cost information. This collaboration ensures that the estimator has the most up-to-date information for their estimates. Monitoring costs during the project. While estimators primarily focus on the early stages of a project, they may also be involved in monitoring costs as the project progresses. This involves comparing the estimated costs to actual expenses and tracking any variances. If the project is running over budget, estimators may be called upon to identify the cause of the overrun and suggest corrective actions. In some cases, estimators may also be tasked with reviewing change orders and adjusting estimates as the project evolves. This helps ensure that the project stays on track and that costs remain within the approved budget. Providing support for project closures. Once a project is completed, estimators may provide support during the project closure phase. This includes reviewing the final costs and comparing them to the original estimate. Estimators may also be involved in generating final reports or reviewing financial documentation to ensure that all costs are accounted for. This phase is important because it provides valuable feedback for future projects. By reviewing the final costs and identifying discrepancies, estimators can improve their estimating processes and make adjustments for future projects. Skills required for estimators. The job description of an estimator requires a combination of technical, analytical, and interpersonal skills. Estimators need to be detail-oriented, knowledgeable, and able to work under pressure. Here are some key skills that are essential for success in this role. Analytical skills. Estimators need strong analytical skills to review project plans, assess cost data, and identify potential risks. They must be able to break down complex data and project specifications to make accurate cost predictions. The ability to analyze past projects and apply lessons learned is also crucial for making accurate estimates in future projects. Attention to detail. The accuracy of an estimator's work is critical to the success of a project. A small error in an estimate can lead to significant financial consequences. Estimators must pay close attention to every detail in the project plans, cost data, and estimates to ensure that all variables are accounted for. Industry knowledge. Estimators must have a deep understanding of the industry in which they work. Whether it's construction, manufacturing, or another sector, estimators need to be familiar with industry standards, cost structures, and potential challenges that could affect the project. This knowledge allows them to provide more accurate and realistic estimates based on current market conditions. Communication skills. Estimators often work closely with a team of professionals, including project managers, architects, engineers, and suppliers. Strong communication skills are essential for gathering information, discussing project requirements, and clarifying any uncertainties. Estimators must also be able to present their findings and recommendations clearly, both in written reports and in meetings. Time management. Estimating can be a time-sensitive job, especially when preparing bids for projects. Estimators must be able to manage their time effectively, balancing multiple projects and deadlines. The ability to prioritize tasks and work efficiently is key to ensuring that estimates are completed on time and to a high standard. Technical proficiency. Estimators rely on various software tools to complete their estimates. Knowledge of project management software, cost estimation tools, and spreadsheets is essential for efficiency and accuracy. Familiarity with software like Procore, Buildertrend, or Excel is often required. Problem-solving skills. Estimators must be able to address challenges and solve problems as they arise. Whether it's handling unexpected cost changes or navigating unforeseen project risks, the ability to think critically and develop solutions is essential for maintaining project accuracy and budget adherence. Education and experience. Most estimators have a background in fields like construction management, engineering, or finance. A bachelor's degree in construction management, civil engineering, or a related field is often required, although some estimators may enter the role with experience and training from working in the industry. Experience in the specific field of estimation, such as residential construction, commercial construction, or manufacturing, is highly valued. Many estimators also complete certifications, such as the Certified Professional Estimator, CPE, designation, to enhance their credentials and marketability. Conclusion. The job description of an estimator is multifaceted, requiring technical expertise, strong analytical skills, and the ability to collaborate with a diverse team of professionals. Estimators provide a critical service by calculating the costs and resources required for projects, ensuring that companies can plan and execute projects successfully without exceeding budgets. Whether working in construction, manufacturing, or other industries, estimators play an essential role in ensuring that projects stay on track, financially and logistically. Their skills in cost estimation, risk management, and budgeting are integral to the success of any project, making them highly valued professionals in any organization.